Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking some source material that outlines a fascinating new platform aiming to completely shake up the e-learning market. It's called CourseBeast AI. And the core premise we're exploring today, well, it's their claim of a fully autonomous AI engine that literally lets you build, host, and sell online courses, all from one single dashboard. For anyone who's ever looked at the booming e-learning industry and thought, man, I want a piece of that, but I just don't know where to start, this explainer is going to break down exactly how this platform claims to bridge that gap.
But hey, before we get into the nuts and bolts of the actual tech, let's look at the problem this is trying to solve. What is actually stopping you from launching an online course right now? If you've ever tried it, you know the struggle, right? There are massive technical barriers. You've got to figure out website hosting, clunky video players, and payment gateways. Then there's the massive time investment of actually writing and reporting all that course content. And finally, the high monthly costs of multiple subscriptions just to keep the whole shebang running. It is exhausting, and it's exactly why so many great ideas never actually make it to market. Okay, let's dive into this direct comparison outlined in the source. Traditionally, creators face months, literally months, of tedious work. Filming, editing, stitching together multiple expensive software subscriptions, it's a headache. CourseBeast AI counters this by claiming a 60-second setup to launch a Udemy-like e-learning site completely managed from one single dashboard. It aims to just entirely flip the difficult, traditional course creation model on its head by centralizing and automating the absolute hardest parts of the process.
The documentation breaks it down into a surprisingly fast-paced three-step core loop: build, host, and sell. First, the AI allegedly builds the site and generates the course content for you. Second, you use their platform to host the courses, so you don't even need your own domain or external hosting. And third, you sell directly to your customers. The course structure here is based on the idea that you require absolutely zero technical skills. The AI is designed to do all the heavy lifting at every single step of the sequence. So let's look at exactly what's included in the base package, which they call the front end. It's priced at a one-time fee of $17. For that price, you get the ability to launch that Udemy-like site in 60 seconds. But according to the document, the real game changer here is the built-in AI chatbot and writer, which is similar to ChatGPT. This means you can create AI-generated courses in literally any niche with zero writing work on your part. Add in seamless integration with top autoresponders to build your email list, plus the ability to generate coupon codes for your customers, and it maps out a remarkably robust starting point for a brand new e-learning business. Now, here is a crucial point the source material emphasizes: 100%. When you sell a course on platforms that you don't control, they almost always take a massive cut of your revenue. But the source document makes it very clear that with CourseBeast AI, because you're running it from your own dashboard, you keep 100% of the profits from every single sale. You aren't splitting your hard-earned money with some middleman.
Scaling up, the funnel breakdown. Let's look at the extensive ecosystem of upgrades designed to rapidly scale this platform. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how it contrasts two major upgrades, because let's be real, what's a software launch without an upsell ladder? First up is the Premium Edition at $47, which lets you remove the CourseBeast AI branding, host on your own custom domain, add payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, and create up to 50 more online courses. But if you look at the Unlimited Edition for $97, it removes absolutely all daily limitations. You can launch unlimited sites, create unlimited courses, add unlimited instructors, and get totally unrestricted use of the AI writer. It's designed for users who just want to scale without any ceiling whatsoever. Next up, we have two distinct upgrades focused entirely on getting eyeballs on your courses, both priced at $37. The AI Marketing Toolkit is basically your visual powerhouse. It creates stunning websites, Ultra HD 4K videos, and eye-catching graphics to market your content. On the flip side, the AI Traffic Edition is designed to seamlessly unlock high-quality buyer traffic to your e-learning platform. So essentially, one helps you look incredibly professional, and the other makes sure people actually see your professional site. Okay, let's group these highly specialized upgrades real quick. First, we have OTO 5, the Done-For-You edition at $97. With this, their team will literally set up your site, add your courses, configure your payment gateways, and even run the AI writer for you. Then there's OTO 6, the Store Edition, for $47, which lets you create profitable e-com stores to sell physical, digital, and affiliate products. And finally, OTO 7, the Appointment Edition, lets you easily book and schedule online meetings, calls, and events like a pro, right from your dashboard. And this brilliantly illustrates the massive enterprise potential for power users out there.
There are top-tier options, starting with the agency edition at $197, which lets you create 50 to unlimited sub-user accounts that you can actually turn around and sell. The reseller tier, also at $197, lets you resell CourseBeast AI itself and pocket a 100% commission. But the ultimate tier is the white label edition at $497. They will hand you the 100% white label code, set it up on your own server, set up your domain, add your own logo, and add your own payment systems. You essentially own the software at that point. The JV opportunity, promote and profit. Now let's completely shift gears and look at the joint venture invitation for marketers. The numbers for affiliates here are highly aggressive. The source highlights a joint venture prize pool of over $3,000 up for grabs during the launch window. Furthermore, affiliates can earn 50% commissions across that entire deep funnel we just reviewed. The document actually notes this can equate to earning over $400 per visitor if they happen to purchase multiple upgrades. Now, transparency is absolutely key in these affiliate contests, and the document clearly lays out the rules. The contest is based on total revenue, and it is strictly solo only, meaning teams can't just combine their sales to win. And most importantly, there's a pro rata condition. Basically, to claim the full cash prize for a specific leaderboard position, your earned commissions actually have to equal the prize amount. Otherwise, you're paid out on a pro rata basis, or you just receive the next available cash prize. Of course, as with any business offering or affiliate opportunity, we've got to look at the fine print. The source material includes a very clear disclaimer stating that any claims of actual earnings or examples of results are exceptional, and they do not apply to the average purchaser. Individual success depends on your background, your dedication, desire, and motivation. They explicitly note that any business endeavor carries an inherent risk of loss of capital, and there is absolutely no guarantee that you're going to earn any money. It's just an important, objective reminder that even the best tools require effort to actually yield results. So, looking at the whole landscape presented in this document, if these claims of a 60-second setup and a truly autonomous AI hold true, the technical barriers to entering the e-learning market are just significantly lowered. The tools are highly automated, and they're designed to let creators retain 100% of their profits. The only real question the source leaves you with is this: with AI literally doing all the heavy lifting, what will your first course be about? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.